Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another DIY video, and today we'll be doing this super easy Diwali decoration with paper cups. But before we start, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get started. Thanks for watching. Wishing you all a very happy and eco-friendly Diwali. Please do not hurt animals and try to make it pollution free. Take care.